Turning your engine 12J720. Turning good. The front engines looks good, as you can see. Like a soft compressor without any damage. Same as well like on the Z side. All windows without water inside. Gearbox on a good conditions. And on this side everything nice with engine. Starter all broken, as you can see. Same as well like altimeter. On the top we have computer engine, but one socket was broken, as you can see. All connectors and injectors looking good. And on the bottom oil sound without any cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine 12J720.